This is Windows 11 running on Ubuntu Linux inside a virtual machine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and run Windows 11 on Ubuntu using a VMware workstation for free. And without further ado, let's get started. Now, as you can see, this is the fresh copy of Ubuntu that I have installed on my HP Pavilion gaming laptop, and I'm running the latest version of Ubuntu. To install Windows 11 on Ubuntu using a VMware workstation, your PC must support hardware virtualization. Make sure it's enabled from the BIOS settings. Once it's enabled, you can go ahead and open the terminal and update the package list by running this command. Now, once it's done, install the Build Essential package. Then run this command to install Linux header files for the installed kernel. Once it's installed, open your favorite browser, then head over to the Microsoft website and grab the Windows 11 ISO. Then head over to the second link and download the VMware Workstation Player for Linux. You can use VMware Workstation for free of cost for personal use. Once both files are downloaded, you will see them in the Downloads directory. Then right-click on the Downloads folder and choose to open in Terminal. Go ahead and change the permission for the VMware package to make it executable. Then run this command to install VMware Workstation on Ubuntu. Once it's installed, go ahead and open it. Accept the license terms and conditions. Then select this option to use VMware for free for personal use. Then enter the root password. Now you can see VMware Workstation main interface. It's time to create a virtual machine to install Windows 11 on Ubuntu. To do so, click on Create the new virtual machine, then choose ISO image and import Windows 11 ISO. Then click on Next. Then choose the guest operating system as Microsoft Windows, and for the version, use Windows 11 x64. Then name the virtual machine. And this is the location where all the VM files are stored. Then click on Next. VMware Workstation supports virtual TPM, so it's recommended to set a password. You need to remember this password, which is needed every time you start the Windows 11 virtual machine. Now choose Store Virtual Disk as a single file and click on Next. You will see the summary of the virtual machine. Now click on Customize the hardware and increase the RAM. Now make sure it's more than 4 GB. In my case, my PC has 24 GB of physical memory. I'm going to allocate a 10 GB of RAM for Windows 11. Then choose Processors. Now this is very important. More cores equals to performance. If your system has more CPU cores, you can use this option. In my case, my PC has 6 CPU cores and 12 threads, so I'm going to choose 4 cores. Then leave other options to default and click on Finish. Now at this point, you may see a warning about the system swap if you don't have a swap partition. Just go ahead and discard this message. Now click inside the virtual machine and you can see the VM has started to recognize the built-in camera. Now just click on OK. When you see this message, immediately press any key on your keyboard to launch the Windows 11 installer. Now keep in mind, when you tap inside a virtual machine, the cursor will be bounded to the guest OS or the Windows 11. To release, press Ctrl+Alt to get the control of the cursor back to the host OS or Ubuntu. Go ahead and install Windows 11. If you have a license key, you can use it to activate Windows 11. But for now, I will choose this option and activate it later. Then select the Windows 11 edition you want to install. I'm going to choose Windows 11 Pro. Then follow the on-screen instructions to start installing Windows 11. Now once Windows 11 is installed, it will boot into the newly installed system automatically. Now when you see this screen, go ahead and disable the internet connection on the host OS. Now you can see the Windows 11 welcome screen. Just go ahead and open the command prompt by pressing Shift plus F10 at the same time. Now inside here, type this command and make sure you type exactly what you see and press the enter key to reboot the virtual machine. Now go ahead and choose your country and keyboard layout. Then click on I don't have internet. Agree to the terms and conditions, then create a user account and finish setting up Windows 11. And voila, we have successfully installed Windows 11 on Ubuntu. Now go ahead and enable the internet on the host OS or Ubuntu. Then inside a Windows 11 virtual machine, you can see the internet is working fine without any issues. If you notice one thing, Windows 11 is not using the full screen resolution of this monitor. We're going to fix this issue. Simply head over to the menu bar, then choose a virtual machine and select Install VMware Tools. Now you can see it has mounted successfully. Just go ahead, open the drive and look for the Setup x64 package. Just right click on it and choose to run it as administrator. Now follow the on-screen instructions and install VMware Tools. Now this will fix all the issues with graphics, sound, and the internet. Once it's done, restart the Windows 11 virtual machine. Now you can see Windows 11 is running in full screen mode. Now on my laptop, Windows 11 is running so smoothly. I have not faced any issues so far. That's pretty much it. This is how you install and run Windows 11 on Ubuntu using a VMware workstation for free. If in case you decided to remove Windows 11, first shut down the virtual machine. Then reopen the VMware Workstation Player and enter the TPM password. Now select the Windows 11 virtual machine, right-click and choose to remove the VM from the disk. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. This has been KSK Rao. I will see you in my next video.